As a golf course superintendent, you're constantly responding to challenges outside your control. Whether it's heat and drought, flooding and snow, or customer traffic and disease pressure, you have to adapt quickly to manage your course. For superintendents in all environments, Turf Cloud is here to help. Our one-of-a-kind solution is the golf industry's leading digital turf management platform. We use a combination of drone technology, AI, and data analysis, empowering you to manage your property from anywhere at any time. Our daily, automated drone service, TurfSight, will give you critical insights into your turf health and water management strategy. TurfSight allows superintendents to scout over 300 acres with a single drone flight. When was the last time you were able to check on all of your greens in just half an hour? Turf Cloud uses cutting-edge drone imagery and analytics so superintendents can identify and treat problems before they start. The feedback we've received from superintendents has been all around positive. The analysis was so fast, I had a full picture of turf conditions by lunch. I spent less time inspecting and more time managing. I saved 5 times the cost of the subscription just in applications. Wow! TurfSight logs all flights in an easy-to-use calendar to make sure you're improving over time. We've even built custom turf sensors that enable high-resolution, multispectral, and thermal imagery. The best part? It's simple to implement. Just place the drone on its launch pad and we'll take care of the rest, managing your flights from Boston, Massachusetts. Turf Cloud offers solutions for all budget types. Call 844-484-7336 for more information today.